Do you love peace, sunshine, and ocean views? This might just be your dream home. Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. So today I'm in north of Seattle. The city is called Edmonds. It's a coastal city. So a lot of people actually come here to enjoy the ocean views and the great view of Olympic parks. And the city is actually famous for its laid-back vibes and artsy feeling. A lot of people come here to relax and enjoy the ocean breeze. And today we're going to show you an ocean view home that was right in the center of Edmonds. It was actually built in 1991, really private and quiet neighborhood. And when you drive in, actually looks like a Rambler, but you are wrong. It is a huge home. It actually has almost 4,000 square feet inside, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and the biggest selling point is you can enjoy the ocean view. Let's go and check it out. Welcome to this ocean view house. So when you come through the front door, actually on the right-hand side, you will see a living room. Because the home was built in 1990s, it's very popular for homes built in that time to have 2 living rooms. And this you can actually put in like a grand piano or your best furniture you can actually display right here. And then on this side, this is a formal dining area, and I really like the paint because it's kind of like a European style, very luxurious and very traditional. So the vibe is more like, this is a cozy place for people to hang out. And I also like the size of it. You can easily fit in like 8 to 12 seats in this area. So let's check out the family room. So when you walk here directly, you will see how bright this room is. It has the skylight, and then you'll be welcomed with all the windows in front of you. So you will see the ocean and then a lot of greenery, very peaceful and very bright. And this is also an open concept, and the kitchen area is pretty big. It was renovated just a couple of years ago. My client, they actually hired somebody to redo all the cabinets into this very smooth surface, white cabinets, very modern. And then they put in the quartz countertop and then the new backsplash as well. All the appliances are also newer, so it's move-in ready for the new owner. And here you can put in like a breakfast table or just a coffee table. And here is where you can enjoy a lot of great time with your family. You can put couches here and hang the TV here. And then you can walk to the balcony. So here is supposed to be the best place to enjoy the view of the ocean. And now the trees have grown a lot. When my client bought it, it was actually the trees were a lot smaller, so they can enjoy a much bigger view. And we have already put in a request for a permit to trim the trees so that you can actually get more views back. But anyways, when you sit here, it's a great vibe, very laid back, enjoy your coffee, do some readings, and you are surrounded by all the greenery. I think this is a very great place to hang out. And the primary bedroom is actually on the first floor as well. Let's go and check this out. So this bedroom has a really high ceiling. It's like 11, 12 feet. The size of it is really great. And if you put your bed here, when you wake up, you're actually waking up to a great view of the ocean, Olympic parks, and a lot of greenery around you. So this is well designed. And let's check out the bathroom. So the bathrooms, everything is original. It's more like a traditional vibe as well. But it does have double sink, tiles on the ground. And then you have this is a kind of a jet tub, like a massage tub. And then they also have a shower room that was tiled up as well. So if you don't like the color, you want it to be more modern, it can be easily changed. And now we're on the lower level. So on this level, we actually have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus a huge room, this room, as a bonus room. So you can turn this into an office as well, because there's another huge bonus room downstairs. You can actually put a ping pong table, and a huge media room, exercise room, however you make it. But what I like about this room is it actually has a lot of windows, and then it has decks, so big patio doors, big windows, a lot of natural light in this room. So I think it is a great place for a huge bonus room, or if you have guests that you need one more bedroom, this is a great place too. So after looking at this home, what I really like is, the great value this home presents. So it's listed at 1.6 million, but it's almost 4,000 square feet inside. And on the main floor, you can enjoy a lot of great natural light, skylight, big windows, and you can look at the views of the ocean and Olympic Park. And what my seller actually misses the most is this community. It is kind of at the dead-end street, so when you drive in, you can actually feel like there are only a few homes here, very private and very, very quiet. We just put this home on the market at 1.6 million, and we have open houses this weekend. Come and join us and enjoy this ocean breeze. We will see you here. I'm Maggie. See you next time.